Maddie, SYDNEY space MADEE, Maddie. Shaded Maddie. So please do subscribe, like your videos, and turn on notifications. By the way, this is my grandpa's phone. I'm using his phone right now. So yeah, can't believe I chocolate ice cream all over my face. It's so embarrassing. I can throw it all over my face. Hello. But thank you guys so much for watching. I just want to let you guys know that that video was fake. It was not real, and I told you guys that, and but I listened to a whole bunch of things. I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys did, please give it a huge thumbs up. You don't have to, but please give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and feel free to drop a little comment. And I'll see you guys next week. Now we're going to do a dance. Before we go, I'm going to do a dance battle. How much minutes is this? Oh, God. Ah! So, dance battle. LOL, that was so weird. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Peace out, home.